Quick question. Do you ever panic when someone tries to start small talk in English?
Like when a coworker says, "Hey, how's it going?" and your brain goes completely blank?
Or when someone in line at a cafe says, "Nice weather today," and you just smile awkwardly because you don't know what to say next?
You're not alone. Many learners can handle deep topics, work, study, grammar, but freeze at small talk, even though it's supposed to be small.
That's the funny thing. Small talk feels simple, but it's actually one of the hardest parts of real English conversation.
But it's also one of the most important. Small talk is how friendships, business relationships, and even interviews begin.
The good news? You can absolutely learn how to do it naturally, with a few simple strategies and phrases.
By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly how to start, continue, and end small talk confidently in English.
Welcome to English Zone, the place where real-life English becomes simple.
Our mission is to help you speak English naturally, not perfectly.
So let's jump right into small talk, the secret social skill of fluent speakers. First, what is small talk? It's friendly, casual conversation about everyday topics: the weather, weekend plans, hobbies, travel, food, anything light.
It's not about deep meaning, it's about connection. You're showing interest in the other person, creating comfort.
Think of it like warming up before a real conversation. You don't start with, "So what's your opinion on global economics?" You start with, "How was your weekend?"
Exactly. And small talk doesn't have to be long. Just a few sentences can make a big difference.
Let's see how it sounds in real life.
Hey, Daniel. Long day?
Yeah, pretty long. I'll be happy when Friday comes. How about you?
Same here. I can't wait to sleep in this weekend.
Oh, nice. Any special plans?
Maybe brunch with friends if I don't oversleep.
Sounds perfect. That's it. 4 lines, but that's small talk done right.
Short, natural, and friendly. It's not about sharing deep secrets. It's just connection.
So how do you get better at this? Let's break it down. Step 1. Start simple. You don't need creative or clever questions. The safest openers are greetings and easy topics.
For example, how's it going? How's your day been? Busy day? Crazy weather, right?
These open doors. They invite short, relaxed answers.
Step 2, add a comment after the question. Don't just say, "How's your day?" Add, "Mine's been super busy." It gives the other person something to react to.
Step 3. React naturally. If someone says, "I'm so tired," don't just nod. Say, "I know, me too." Or, "Yeah, this week's been nonstop." That's how connection happens.
Step 4, use follow-up questions. Keep the ball rolling. If they say, "I went hiking," you can ask, "Oh, really? Where did you go?"
Follow-up questions show you're interested, not just polite.
Step 5, match the tone. Small talk is light, not serious. Don't suddenly talk about politics or problems. Keep it positive or neutral.
For example, if someone says, "It's raining again," don't say, "Yes, climate change is destroying everything." Say, "Yeah, I know. Perfect day for coffee, though."
Exactly. Keep it friendly and easy.
Another tip, use shared experience. If you're at a meeting, say, "This coffee is strong today," or "It's so crowded this morning."
It's an easy way to connect because you're both in the same situation.
And small talk often starts with small compliments, like, "Hey, I like your jacket," or "That's a nice mug."
People love positive energy. Just be genuine. Don't overdo it. Let's look at typical small talk topics. You can keep a few ready in your conversation pocket.
Topic 1, the weather. Classic, but always works. "It's freezing today. I love this sunshine."
Topic 2, weekends. Any plans for the weekend? Or did you do anything fun last weekend?
Topic 3, work or school. Is it a busy week for you? I'm counting down to Friday.
Topic 4, food. This coffee is really good. I'm starving. I could eat a horse.
Topic 5, entertainment. Have you watched anything good lately? Or, I just started a new show on Netflix.
Those topics are safe everywhere. At work, in a cafe, in class, or even online.
One of the biggest mistakes learners make is answering too short. If someone says, "How was your weekend?" and you answer, "Good," the conversation dies.
Instead, add one sentence. Good, I went shopping. Or, good, I just stayed home and relaxed.
One extra detail gives the other person something to continue with.
And remember, small talk isn't about speed. Take your time, smile, use your body language.
You can even laugh a little. English small talk isn't just words, it's attitude.
Here's another example. Imagine you meet someone new at a conference.
You say, "Hi, nice to meet you. Is this your first time here?"
Yeah, it is.
You, "Same here. The sessions look interesting so far."
And boom, you're talking. You've created connection with just a few simple phrases.
That's the magic of small talk. It opens doors to real conversations.
Let's talk about ending small talk politely. You don't need to disappear suddenly. Use soft closers like, "Anyway, I should get going," or "It was great chatting with you."
Or, "I'll let you get back to work." That's natural and friendly.
Then add a warm sign-off. "See you later," or "Have a good one."
Ending well leaves a good impression, which means the next chat will be easier.
Let's recap. Start simple, add a comment, react, ask a follow-up question, match the tone, end politely.
Use everyday topics, weather, weekends, work, food, shows, and don't forget, smile, sound relaxed, and stay curious.
Because small talk isn't about words, it's about connection.
Exactly. You don't need to be interesting. You just need to be interested.
That's how real friendships start.
So next time someone says, "How's it going?" don't panic. Take a breath, smile, and let the conversation flow.
Even one short chat a day builds confidence fast.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, what's your favorite small talk topic?
And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English tips you can use right away.
Daniel,
And Sophie.
see you next time.